Subscribe and Cece will love you. Hello again, astronauts. Welcome to Bad Astra, a wacky science channel where we learn about physics with more costume changes than math. On Wednesdays, we release videos ranging from the Bad Answers series, where we answer viewer-submitted questions, to interviews with scientists about their research, to science-related music videos when we're feeling extra ambitious. Our main content comes once a month in the form of deep dives on scientific topics, from the life cycle of stars, to vaccines, to the history of the universe. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and check out our Patreon for early access to videos and exclusive content. Colin asked, if a person were able to swim in the water on a lower gravity planet, would they be able to swim faster, slower, or would the effect of low gravity be negligible? So XKCD already answered this in his What If series, but specifically about swimming on the moon. So I'm just going to summarize Randall Munroe and link to his comic. Side note, my wife and I really love his comics and own both the What If and How To books, which we highly recommend. Stuff. Floating is the result of buoyancy, your density compared to the water's density, so that would feel exactly the same. Swimming underwater would also be pretty similar because gravity doesn't affect the water's drag on the human body. In Munroe's words, everything else would be different and way cooler. The waves would be bigger, the splash fights more intense, and swimmers would be able to jump out of the water like dolphins. According to his calculations, if you add fins, it would be possible to jump 4 to 5 meters into the air from the water on the moon's gravity. Think reverse Olympic high dives. Unfortunately, a swimmer on the moon wouldn't go any faster or slower, but the swimming itself would be a lot more splashy, since the same force upwards would push the water further upwards, and it would fall slower, so droplets moving at the same horizontal speed could travel further before crashing back into the body of water. However, you might be able to run on water on a low-gravity planet. In 2011, scientists actually tested 6 subjects' ability to run on water in simulated low-G environments, i.e. harnesses with fins, in place, in a kiddie pool. I get a lot of joy looking at this picture. Never change, scientists. According to their data, as gravity decreased, more subjects were able to run on water, with all of them successful at 10% of Earth's gravity. So you might not be able to swim faster, but you might be able to cross water faster by running. Other notable conclusions of this study were that animals have a different gait when running on water, moving their upper bodies a lot less and moving their feet more in a bicycle way than a walk or run. Marie Kondo says we can keep it because this paper sparked so much joy. The TLDR is that no, you can't swim faster on a smaller world, but you could have epic splash fights and maybe cosplay Jesus. Astra out.
Ad Astra, to the stars, to the stars.